Hello guys, welcome back to Indo Drama channel. After the announcement of ICMR about coronavirus vaccine, we are eagerly waiting for 15th August. But in this video, something more I am going to talk about. Each and every human beings right now holding their patience for COVID-19 vaccine. Vaccine development organizations are giving their full efforts to fulfilling the needs of the current requirement. As coronavirus is continuously changing its character by means of different adaptations, because of these changing characteristics of this virus, it's very difficult to make a proper vaccine. When in that case, when we have an unstable virus in front of us. Even though, with this challenging situation, some of the leading organizations are very close to their final trials. But even though they are not finished yet, but from the recent information, Russia claiming that they completed their all clinical trials for COVID-19 vaccine. What's that? We'll see in this video. Don't skip this video, get the information fully. Let's start. Before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. So guys, recently Russia's Sechenov University has successfully accomplished all the clinical trials of its COVID-19 vaccine and become the world's first COVID-19 vaccine completes human trials. With this, Russia became the first nation to complete coronavirus vaccine clinical trials on humans. This shows the medication effectiveness of Russia. There are currently 21 vaccines under clinical trials, which also will come in this list of completing human trials, according to the World Health Organization. On Sunday, 12th of July, this information is confirmed by Vadim Tarasov, Director of the Institution for Translation Medicine and Biotechnology, confirmed the development of vaccine. According to his statement, the clinical trials of COVID-19 vaccine on volunteers at Sechenov University has been successfully completed. He also said that the first group of volunteers who participated in the clinical trials for the COVID-19 will be discharged on 15th July and the second batch of volunteers will be on 20th July. Sechenov University was conducting COVID-19 human clinical trials on the vaccine candidate produced by Gamaleya Institute, Russia. According to Alexander Lukasev, the director of the Institute of Medical Parasitology, Tropical and Vector-Borne Disease at Sechenov University said that the initial priority of the vaccine is to be safe, so that the safety of the vaccine is confirmed. This vaccine can strongly compete with other vaccines, which has possibly given strong competition for this vaccine. The future plan for development of this COVID-19 vaccine is being determined by the developer's strategy, with including the complexity of epidemiological situation with the virus. Epidemiological studies measure the risk of illness or death in an exposed population compared to the risk of another unexposed population. According to Alexander Lukasev's statement, there is a high possibility of scaling up of this COVID-19 vaccines. With this, some of the American vaccine development organizations are also coming front, and there is a high possibility of that. These organizations may give promising result in some couple of weeks. Some of the strong contenders are Oxford University and American biotech company Moderna Inc. But till now, they are still developing the effectiveness of the vaccine by clinical trials. Where some other companies, they are BioNTech and Pfizer Inc., is expected to be ready by the end of 2020. These companies are waiting to get the regulatory approval after the successfully clinical trial execution that they are currently doing. Their clinical trial results are very promising against the fast-spreading respiratory illness in early stage human testing. And with this, Indian collaboration of Bharat Biotech, ICMR, NIV claimed that their vaccine will be launched by August 15. Whatever it may be, this type of activity shows that we are very close to COVID-19 vaccine. That is proved by Russia's Sechenov University. Thank you for watching this video. For getting more updates in future, subscribe this channel, share to your friends, and if you have any doubts, ask in the comment section. Keep supporting me. Thank you for your love and support. See you in the next video.